Now let's discuss the rotation of axis and its equations. Before we discuss translation, now let's discuss rotation. So it says that if, say, this was your original axis, right? Let's say this was your original axis, right? With lowercase y-axis and lowercase x-axis. And now you've rotated this entire axis by a degree theta. Let's say this is the degree theta, right? You rotated this entire axis, so now you have a new axis with this new y-axis called y prime axis and this new x-axis called x prime axis, right? Now let's say you needed to find the coordinates of a point that are given to you according to this new axis, right? And you needed to find its coordinates in the old axis. What would you do? Let's say you have this point over here, right? And let's say its coordinates are given to you in the new axis with let's say it has a value of x, the new x value as q, right? And a new y value, let me just be very careful with this value, let's say that's L, okay? And you need to find its value in the in the old axis. That would be over here. Let's say that value is let's just call it y, and let's call its x value as m, right? So the equation for that is this. You need to find the x value of this point in the old axis, in the original axis. So what you would do is you would take the new x value, which is in this case q, right? So q cos theta, the angle that you have translated the whole axis with, minus the new y value, which in this case is L, right? So L, sine of the same angle, theta, this one. And this will give you the x value in the old axis, which in this case is m, right? Now you need the old y value. Simply you multiply the x value of the new axis, which is q, right? This one over here, and you add to that, you multiply it with sine theta first, right? So the sine of the same angle theta, and you add to that basically the product of y, the new y, which is L over here, into cosine of the same angle theta, and that will give you the new y value, which we give the name as y, the old y value, the original, the value of this point in the original axis, right? So these equations will give you the value of a point in a translated axis in the original axis. You were given the coordinates q and L, and now you have the coordinates m and y.